Do you know about different meditation types and techniques? There are different types of meditation, and every type has different techniques. The most used type are Buddhist, Zen, Vipassana, mindfulness, and loving-kindness meditation techniques. Hindu, mantra, yogic, transcendental, self-inquiry, and I am meditation techniques. Chinese, Taoist and Qigong meditation techniques. Christian, Sufi, guided. What technique you already knew and which have you tried? Let me know in the comments. See us next time.